Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Chevrolet Cruze key battery. First, you'll need a few simple tools. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. These are readily available at most electronics stores or supermarkets. Having a clean, well-lit area is also helpful to ensure you don't misplace any tiny components during the quick, straightforward process. It's a simple fix that anyone can do at home. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle but firm twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The goal is to carefully pry it open without causing any damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms that the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the functions, like locking and unlocking your car doors and activating the trunk release. Your key fob should now be working perfectly with its fresh power source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.